Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Autoworld in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have the 2008 Mazda Miata. This one has the hardtop convertible, very heavily optioned example, of course fitted with the 6-speed manual, 2-liter NA inline 4, nice and beautiful air conditioning. Just stepped out of the two Boxsters, so it's been a day of compact sports cars. This one has the Bose sound. That's a weird place for the gas filler cap release. I've never really noticed that. Obviously this one is the retractable hardtop. You can go ahead, right? No. Would you have to? Huh? How do you work? Oh, how about the big button that says released? So that's how that works. Pretty cool. All right, bring the windows up. I wasn't gonna drop it all the way because I have this place nice and cool. It is 90 something degrees out and I am dying. One thing I noticed about this example, and it's been a while since I driven an NC, but I'm pretty sure it was the case there, this clutch pedal grabs right off the floor. I mean, you lift your toe, be ready for this thing to start going. So it took a second to get used to. Very short gear ratios. But the pedals, prime for heel toe. Well, I do it like that, side of foot, but heel toe is more of a saying than action. You know, this thing's 15? Yeah, 15, not 25, 15 years old. I almost said 25, if that was the case, there'd be a lot of JDM versions of these out here. Oh, these are such fun cars. These things are really rare too. You do not see a lot of the hardtop Miatas, NC Miatas, obviously with the RF. This is kind of the precursor to the RF. Although I'm not sure if it's aftermarket or not. I've seen some NA and NBs with hardtops, but I'm pretty sure it's aftermarket. NC is really, I've found the least favorite Miata gen. And let's be honest here, I don't think it deserves all the hate it gets. Yes, it's the biggest Miata. Yes, I'm pretty sure it's the heaviest Miata. But it's still an awesome car. And I really don't think it deserves all the flack it gets. We're running short on days with cars like this available, especially in the new market. There's not a lot of manual analog sports cars like this around anymore. And I think it's sacrilegious to hate on this car just because it's the heaviest Miata, it's the least driver focused. Come on. I feel like people just are so quick to hate on cars without actually driving them. Because if you get those thoughts out of your head and just focus on what this thing's like to drive, it's a really good car. It might not be the best Miata ever made, and you know what? I really don't care, because if no other Miatas existed and this was the only thing that had the Miata name, this would be a fantastic car. We need to stop comparing it to what was and is, and just realize what it truly is. And that is an absolute fantastic car that is just a riot to drive. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.